The Chicago nigga.
Tried calling you out by name, but shit, it wasn't
What you say about me?
nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
YouTube, got Odie out here on security. I gotta excuse the garage. Had to move one vehicle to put another vehicle in for a minute. But let's see. We got him in the lab. Man. Y'all already know. We about to do our thing. Hey, get over here. Move. Gotta excuse the wood. Wood on the sixes and shit. I was doing some cutting earlier, but we good. So we about to go on and knock this out, man. I ain't even put no brakes on this motherfucker yet. I ain't tripping. I got the light, got the foes over there. Chevy parts. Anybody need Chevy parts? Trim, all trim, dope trim, box full of Chevy shit right there. But yeah, let me go and get to it. I just really came out here to grab this wood. We're gonna go and get started on this in a minute. A couple days or so. Like I said, I had to move one vehicle out to put this one in, but we good. So I'ma holler. All right.